Hi everyone. So I am here after a really long time, but in the gap, I did study even though I wasn't able to upload more videos because I was busy a bit and I also was like not in mood to upload videos. So I was a bit procrastinating that I will gonna upload it later. But today now I got time, so I'm gonna start upload from today. Now there is also a challenge which I'm going to start, which I will be talking about in the video. So if I talk about my day, that is 4th of December. uh, Today I think I was able to do around 3 4 4 5, around 5 to 6 hours of study. Yeah, you might be thinking that like why it is less, because I took a 3-day break in which I visited my friend. And in that day break, as I think for myself, when I restart my journey, then I start like in a bit slowly manner. Like I don't just rush into 10 to 12 hours studies, even though like I haven't studied my whole UPSC journey to about 10 to 12 hours. So I don't even rush into that time. I slowly start. Like for example, I've again restarted it from around 3rd of December, where I've studied around 4 hours, and yesterday I was able to study around 5 to 6 hours, because it provided me to set up a momentum so that I can sustain for a large period of time. Otherwise, if you start for a larger period of time just abruptly, so it may burn out yourself. So that is why this is my philosophy, like why I start slowly, so that it can go up to peak of 8 to 9 hours. If I talk about my sessions, so there was around 3.5 hour session of sociology. I'm doing right now chapter 8, as I already mentioned. Second, if I talk about, it was a 3 hour newspaper, sorry, 1 hour newspaper, and I was able to finish it properly. I was able to finish both of them in a very proper manner. Now, if I talk about another thing, I have started governance, like not properly started governance, but like I have started to made up. I made up a mind map, like how I'm gonna pursue it. And there is also good news for me that I have finished ethics lecture. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start revise them for around 10 to 13 days, so that it will confirm my ethics portion before the mains, or I would say before the prelims. I was also able to do answer writing for the sociology part. I'm also be doing ethics answer writing, and yes, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll be finishing the polity revision. Now, if I talk about the challenge which I was talking about, so the challenge is that now, uh, from today, that is 5th of December, till 25th of December, that is around 20 day, I am going to take a challenge for myself, in which I am going to study around 9.5 to 10 hour. Yes, this is a challenge which I am going to take, and I hope I'm able to complete this challenge, because I think it is for a short period of time, because after that I am going to start prepare for prelim. In there I will be continue to give around 8 to 9 8 hours, because for me giving more than 8 hours is like I get burned out a bit early. So I maximum amount of time which I can give is around 8, but like now I have taken this challenge, so I wanted to fulfill it as soon as possible. So these 20 days are, I called it as hell December, like just for me, so that it will provide me a sense of satisfaction when I will complete it. So the day one will be starting it around 5th of December, that is today. Like I'm going to sleep and I will be waking up by around 8 or 9, and it's going to start around 5th December. If I talk about my what I'm going to do, again as easy, I'm going to start my day with 3 hours of socio, because doing tough thing early in the morning gives sense of satisfaction. Secondly, 2 hours is going to I'm going to give it to ethics, and around 2 hours I'm going to give it to governance, and around 1.5 hours I'm going to give to polity, and around 30 minute, yeah, I'm going to 30 minute to newspaper. Now less time I'm going to go to newspaper. So 2 to 4 to 8, 2 to 4 to 6, 3, 9, around 9 hour. And if it can extend it to around 1 hour. This is what I'm gonna do, and I hope I will be finishing it properly. So this is a, I would say, an oath to myself, that yes, I am going to do this, and yes, I will be doing this, and I promise to myself that I will